What's up, this is Shifted Motor Company.
Hey, sign me in.
What's up, this is Shifted Motor Company. Yeah, it's been a couple weeks, but we are stripping the shock off of this. Or we're just stripping the bike down. Pretty much stripping the bike down, trying to not make a mess.
There's the shock we're looking for.
Yeah.
Way down there.
Way dirty.
Dirt. But it comes with all this crap.
Yeah. Yeah, and so I'm doing that, and Jesse's doing something over there. And,
Tell me how it got here tonight.
oh, we had to push it. Last time we took it down there, we blew up this back tire, but if you come in here, you can see it did not hold any air. Front though, front solid as a rock. But so pushing up here, you know, I am pushing pretty much by myself. Brandon hops on the back. I pretty much still had it under control. You know.
You did not have it under control.
I get to this hill. It's like 38 degrees out there. So I'm not used to the elements right now. Normally I usually work out in more of a climate controlled area, you know, when I do my normal running. Yeah. I go to the gym every day. And yeah, so it started to tip, and I ditched it because I was, the bike's already trashed. Brandon tried to be the hero and hold on to the back.
Basically rode it to the ground.
And bike flopped on its side, and then a car was coming and I had to give it up. And that was that. Jesse was already 15 feet ahead of us. He didn't care.
Yeah, no help.
They came back eventually. But
yeah. I don't care.
So that's the story of where we're at now. Tonight I'm just trying to get parts off this because I need these parts to keep going on the other bike. And then it won't fit, and then we'll have to buy another shock anyway. So.
Well, good. I get to go to the ground with two different bikes then.
Good ground for all
2 for 2.
So, dude, just working on the bike here.
We did bullet.
Getting in there real deep, and yeah, same thing that I was doing the last time you were filming me with your faulty camera. And
But it holds charge now, right?
what's that? This?
Yeah.
I have no idea.
Huh.
This one that I'm putting on, I don't remember which one was on my bike before. I think it was this one, but this one looks the worst out of all of them. I don't know. So we'll give this one a shot and see what happens.
What makes you think this one's better?
This one?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Oh.
Well,
Well, you chose it for a reason.
Because he had it?
because it doesn't look like this one. See how it's like kind of fuzzy in there? Like that's like all fuzzy and it's a little rusty.
Yeah, I see the rust for sure.
Yeah, and see this?
Tell me how fuzzy this
Yeah.
is getting.
That's not, they're supposed to be, they're spring loaded, but that's broken. There's like a piece broken off of it. So, if this one doesn't work, I'm probably gonna try to piece one together and see what happens. Because I know one of them works, because it came off my old bike. I just don't remember which. We took that one apart so quickly. Me and Blake. In my driveway.
I feel like this is just a problem. Letting Blake just tear everything apart.
Like,
You got the snake.
I got the snake.
did you put that in there, Brandon? Sounds like you did.
Brandon,
It's
It's the whole
It
way.
would-
freaking screwed up, Brandon.
It would have to be a Miller can.
We're about to find out what kind of can it is. We either fess up now.
Okay.
We're good. Was it you? Was it you?
Ew.
When you say it like that, it sounds even more like it was you, Brandon.
That's it. It's not even long enough, hardly.
Oh, Brandon.
Oh,
Look at that.
it's a Miller Lite can, Brandon. What the frig?
I don't even drink Miller Lite. Sissy beer.
this bike? $75.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. And I've seen it run.
No.
Tell me what you're thinking.
It'll be fine. Selling top. Does it have enough adjustment? I don't know. It smells like stink bugs.
What does?
The shock. This thing's adjustable. I need to lower it like an inch.
It's there. It wants it. It wants it so bad. I just want you to start.
So, what did we learn tonight?
Oh. No matter how long you crank the bike, it won't start if there's no gas in it. And you
Really?
can't put gas in it if you don't have a key for the filler.
At the moment.
At the moment, it's at my house. 25 minutes away from
Come to
here.
me. Come to me. I picked up a bike to get a shock, and the shock from the bike is too long. Even though I swear it would have fit, everybody seemed to use it anyway. An 11.5-inch shock, but we have a bike, you know, just what we needed. But Trent's robbing the forks, as you've probably seen, because I'm sure you'll see the clip of us getting it. And the motor is going to sit around a shelf until one day we're really bored in like 60 years.
60 years? We'll be
60
like
years.
85,
Yeah, and then
83.
we'll throw it in a go-kart.
Yeah. But we won't be
Now-
able to ride in it because we'll be like old and decrepit. Damn it!
Here's the thing. I think underestimated idea. Go-kart limo, 600cc motor in the back, enough seats for all of us to sit in a row. 6 sets of wheels.
Where do we go with it?
Yeah.
And all the shocks that you bought, we can use on the go-kart.
That'd be so fun for the person
They'll
driving.
just sit uneven.
You
But
guys would be scared for your life. In the back.
Yeah, I'm not getting into that with one of you guys driving.
Look at when he's gonna stop.
Oh, am I gonna die now? Am I gonna die in 2 minutes? I don't know.
Blake up there 10 feet ahead of me. When are you gonna stop?
Pro tip here. Motorcycles run on fuel. They won't start if they don't have any fuel. So always make sure you fill up your gas tank. And yeah, that's right. That's right!